In this video tutorial, I'm going to step you through how to submit the URL for assignment number 2 and into Leo, and how to make that URL a live hyperlink, and also how to force it to open in a new window or a new tab. So what do you need to do to make sure that you're prepared when you come to submitting your URL for the assignment is you've obviously got Leo open, and you've obviously got your website where you've created your URL open. Now, in this case, for the demonstration, I am pretending that I've actually submitted mine as a post on my Learning Spaces PLN. So I've got a post called e-presentation about learning spaces. And if you just watch the URL up here, so at the moment it says the learning space 2015.wordpress.com. When I click on that particular post, the URL is extended with a direct link to that particular post. So if we assume that my link to the Web2 technology I've used is in here, the URL I'll be wanting is that one up at the top. So I'm actually going to highlight that now, and I'm going to copy it, and that means that I've got the URL ready to go when I'm submitting. So go back to Leo, and while I'm in Leo, I need to, if I'm at the Leo homepage, just bear with me 1 second, I'm going to go down to EDFD459 assignments, and I'm going to find the assignment 2 section and assignment 2 e-presentation submission Dropbox. I'm going to click on that, and this is where I submit that URL. So I'm ready to go, so I click on add submission. The first thing you will see is the Declaration of Originality, and you're to read every single point of the Declaration of Originality to make sure you're adhering to the necessary protocols and processes of assignment submission at ACU. And once you've done, just check the little box above the word note. And then scroll down to a dialog box that says online text, and this is where you put your URL. So you click in the box and you paste in your URL, and at the moment that is a static URL. It won't do anything. Okay, so what you want to do is make this into a hyperlink and then force it to open in a new window, which the reason why I ask you to do that is when I mark them, it means I can click on your link, and it will open up your Web2 technology in a new window, and at the same time Leo will remain open. If we didn't ask it to open in a new window, it would overwrite Leo, and I'd need to log back in when I was actually putting your grade in. So the next step is to make sure that you've still got that URL copied, and what I always do is highlight it again and copy it again, just in case something something else has been copied or whatever it may be. And then what you want to do is go to this icon, which is the Insert Edit Link icon. Okay, it looks like a little bit of chainmail, or looks like a paperclip. Click on that, and you'll see you've got the link URL. Into there goes the same one that you've posted. Okay, so this is the link to your Web2 technology. Underneath, you've got a section that says Target. Drop that menu down, and you want to select New Window. Okay, and then you click Insert, and you'll notice that your URL has actually gone blue. And then basically you've done. So you then do Save Changes, and everything is ready. If you want to change your URL, you can edit the submission, and you can do that at a later date if you wanted to as well. But to all intents and purposes, this is now ready. You've submitted your URL for grading, as it says here, submitted for grading, and I will mark that in due course.